emulsifying oil. So if you haven't seen this before, you should definitely check it out. I've got some olive oil. You can use whatever kind of oil. Now, 11.5 is a powerful degreaser, and what it does is it breaks down oil. So oil and water usually don't mix. And I'm going to show you how this water is different. So this is tap water. This is 11.5 water. First, I will do the tap water. So let's do this one. And you can kind of see there how the oil is all like bubbly. And now it's rising to the top. Now watch this. Oh, I should have. Oh, there we go. Oh, a little hard to do with one hand. So that is how Kangen water emulsifies oil as opposed to regular water that does not. So this water is different. And this is the water that we use to melt off the oil-based pesticides and stuff off of our food. So that's pretty cool, eh? Give me a thumbs up or something if you liked it. Emulsified and not emulsified. Talk to you later, guys.